Um, Beth, I'd like to ask this next question for you. As a parent of someone who's suffering from ulcerative colitis, I can't imagine how difficult that must be. Do you mind sharing a little bit about your experience and then about your son's experience after he received the FMT as well?
Having a child with a disease like ulcerative colitis is a lot. It affects his life and our family's life in so many different ways. It's not, he doesn't have it severe to the point that he'd need to be hospitalized. So I think he's had the same experience as Saffron did with Dr. Kim, kind of downplaying how important it is. But, it affects him in terms of brain fog, fatigue, being able to play varsity sports, being able to hang out with friends. It's what he eats every day. And it's hard as a parent to see your kid going through that. And even, when they're going through it, with success, it's just, you want to do anything to help them feel better and stay better. And so the desperation, I've definitely felt, and Evan, my son, had the same reaction. I played the movie when he was home, and he didn't really want to sit down and watch it. It was too hard. After he had, I thought he won the lottery getting to be a part of this study. But when you're, 18 years old, you just want to forget that you have it. But I think on an intellectual level, he knew this was a great opportunity. And originally he randomized to the placebo arm, and we kind of knew he did because there was just nothing. And then had the option to open enroll and to get the real capsules. Probably a couple weeks into him taking those capsules, which, of course, at that point it's not blinded, but he got an appetite, which is really rare. And throughout the course of the 8 weeks, he gained 6 or 7 pounds because he just felt like eating. The way he experiences it and measures it is his energy level. And his energy level, his ability to play sports, to study, everything changed, as well as some of the bowel parameters that typically are measured. And he was able to, he felt like he maintained those gains for a couple months afterward. And it's been about 6 months since he completed it. And he had a repeat colonoscopy, and he looked improved compared to the colonoscopy he had right before entering the study. And he says he'd do it again because he does feel so much better. And, it's not the answer. It's not the cure for him. But it's definitely a piece of the puzzle. And it's great that we had that opportunity.
It's amazing. Thank you, Ian, for sharing that. It was interesting in the video, in the movie, where they showed kind of the additional side effects that people had after they received FMT. I'm curious, did your son have anything unique that happened? Any interesting cravings or anything?
He did not, but, I think that was his one question going into it is, will this change my personality? And great. Good on that.
Fabulous. When I had my colonoscopy, my second one, going in, I could not touch dairy. If I had any dairy food, it went right through me. Anything, didn't matter, cheese, milk, I couldn't eat much as it was. But after I had that second fecal transplant, and I haven't shared this with many people, but I went home and I craved a cheese pizza, and I ate the cheese pizza and I had nothing. I didn't go to the bathroom at all from it. So I love dairy. I love ice cream. I love cheese. I'm married to a Wisconsin girl. So no, it's interesting, some of those kind of peripheral side effects.